Hey geeks, Tim with Major Geeks, and today we're going to take a look at how to reset your task manager to default. Really easy to do, so it's just one of those little quick tips. This is a simple registry thing. I think you'll get a kick out of it. We will show you first by opening the Registry Editor with the Windows key plus R. Type in Regedit and click OK. Once that's done, you can copy from this article, which we'll link to so you have the code. This right here that's highlighted. Right click and copy. Go to your registry, clear the computer word, and Control V to insert and press enter. As you can see, there is a key here called Task Manager. It saves all your preferences. You may actually have three over here. There's one other one that I've seen, preferences, settings, something like that. But that's irrelevant because all you want to do is right click on the Task Manager and click on delete. And there you go. So let's close the Registry Editor just so you can see that what it does is it saves everything you need right inside of that key. So let's start Task Manager up just for kicks. And now let's do the Registry Editor again just so you can see that there's no harm, no foul here. And as you can see, Task Manager key is back that we deleted. So now it's saving your settings all over again. Pretty simple to do. Another option is to download this registry file. You can click this down here and it'll bring you to the download page. Click right over here by the animated arrow, which should be animated. Come on. Oh, you'll make me look stupid. Well, anyway, there it goes. So then you click over here to download it, Major Geeks, and grab it. And once you have it, you will have this file. Now, you can either right click on it and merge, or if you double click it, you'll get this screen here with a warning, and all you got to do is go ahead and click yes, and that will delete the key for you. However, if you haven't played with the registry too much, this is one of the few that's simple. If you delete the proper key, there's nothing you could really do wrong because the next time you use Task Manager, that key comes back. So it's a pretty cool place to dive into the registry if you're new to the registry. It's pretty simple to do. So there you go. This is pretty handy if you've used your Task Manager numerous times, and especially with the new Windows 10 1903, they're going to add a new view to it, which allows you to, whoops, hit the wrong button. Let me show you real quick. It's not in here, obviously, but just, yeah, let's just keep hitting the wrong button over and over again. We got all day. So if you go to Task Manager, in Windows 10 1903, as you know, when you open your Task Manager up, you have process, performance, app history, startup, users, details, services. But in 1903, which is due out, I think, in April 19, under options, there'll be a new setting here, and it will be your default view. So those of you who use Task Manager a lot, and what you do is go to, I don't know, performance or details frequently, you'll be able to come here to options and have it automatically open to that tab for you. So this will also reset that. Not that it's that big of a deal to change. So there you go, today's quick tip from Major Geeks. Thanks for watching as always. See you next time.